I bought this kit for my mom. She has type 2 diabetes. She's not on insulin, but she does have to monitor her blood sugar. And the machine, the device that she had already, just doesn't seem to be doing as well as it used to. She's had it for a long time. And plus she's really kind of over sticking her finger with that little thing that goes pop. And so I picked this one up for her to try. What I really like about it is that it has Lancets. They come in different sizes. There's a mighty fine and a so fine is in this kit. It's for you to try. You just push the button and the little thing comes out. And then you have the blood sugar tester and you get strips and you have your tester, and it already has a battery in it, and so you can easily replace that battery. And it comes with this nice carrying case, so you can put extra Lancet in it if you're traveling. And all of this fits in this nice little case. And those are my puppy dogs barking at something outside. Just ignore them. I really like this kit. It comes with instructions and it comes with everything you need.